What's going on, you guys? Welcome back to another video. We out here at the lot, guys. As you can see, there's not a lot of people here. Mr2Moto, you got something to say? Hold on. Why don't you grab this beast right here real quick? Hold on.
Hello?
I have just one question for you. Are you ready?
Am I ready for what? Who's this?
Are you ready for this Sunday night when WWE Champ John Cena?
Look at that. Oh my God. I know, guys. I know. I didn't want to get this. I'm scared, okay? Like, this is a dirt bike. She's going to a legit dirt bike. As you can see, guys, it is the 2022 YZ450F. Bro, this came right out of the box, guys. Like, she's 0 hours. Sorry we had to make you guys wait, you know, but we wanted to make everyone aware and stay tuned for the videos. So, guys, as you know, we hit 1 motherfucking K on YouTube, guys, and we out here, we celebrating. But guys, I just want to say thank you guys so much for all the love and support. Thank you everyone for watching our videos. You can't see my hand gestures, but it's whatever. Thank you guys for watching our videos. Thanks for tuning in all the time. Thank you for coming back. We can't do it without you guys, and we're gonna keep going. This year we're about to go hard. Next year we're about to go harder, and we at 1K, baby. Shit.
What I have to say now is that we're gonna hit it harder this time. We got a YZ, we have a KTM. You guys are gonna see me doing like wheelies with no hands and shit.
Oh yeah, we about to be out here on the grind, guys. Guys, let's get into this video. Let's go. Huh? I know, you guys interrupted my video.
So I just bought this for her because, you know, they've been really supporting my channel.
I appreciate it, my guy. I appreciate it.
I mean, subscribe to them, subscribe to me.
Hell yeah.
Subscribe right here, subscribe right here, right here, right here, right here.
That's a lot of editing, bro. I'm not gonna do that.
But yeah, guys, if you guys don't subscribe, we can't bring content like this to you guys, okay?
Yo, I want to see a wheelie right now. First gear wheelie. Oh shit, I didn't even see you. What you doing here, bro?
I'm watching behind the scenes.
Behind the scenes. Oh, we got a 2-stroke right here. He said he about to do some work on it later. About to do, hey, what's that, 85? You gonna race my pit bike, right?
Yes, sir.
I already got 3 dubs. Well, 2.5. Let me see a circle wheelie on that. Oh, right here. Let's go. Let's go. Sheesh. All right. So we got my mans out here. We got, what do we got? YZ85? What year is that? 2003 YZ85 versus the Chinese famous pit bike. It's a 140, but you a 2-stroke. So you might beat me. You might beat me. God damn, this Chinese pit bike sucks. Let's go. Hey, he got me on that one. Listen, guys, this bike is not even fast, all right? It's just a little fun bike for, like, you know, effing around and shit. Can I ride it? I'm not gonna wheelie, baby. I'm not gonna wheelie. Can I? Can I? No? Okay.
You can ride it, but don't wheelie.
Mr2Moto, can I ride your brand new YZ450F? Yeah. Alright, bet. I won't wheelie. I'm about to wheelie this shit all day. Man, this thing's kind of tall. So this thing has like, it has a map select button. It has a traction control or launch control. But I don't know how to really work this thing though. Oh, okay, now it's off, so I'm assuming it's full power. Let's see. Oh yeah. Yeah, that's full power. So now is map 1, I guess. Yeah, this thing still has power. Shush. What does this button do? It's traction control. I gotta read on the manual, guys. But the guy was telling me that this is launch control. I think you hold it. I'm gonna have to read on it. And then this is the map select button. Turn it off. Turn it on. God damn. Shush. Guys, this thing is crazy powerful. I love that she has the map select button though, because I don't have it. Huh?
I bet put it over here where I can see it.
Alright, yo, that shit's powerful, baby.
You think so?
Even with the map, but I gotta read on it though to see what's what.
Yeah.
I'm gonna ride my bike. I want a wheelie. Back on my KTM 450. It's been out of service for a little while. What? You will it? I do it third. Let's go. Sheesh. Oh my God, boy, scraping. He's scraping it. Got Christian fly. Let's go. What you got? First wheelie on the YZ450, guys. Let's go. Woo! Woo! Careful. Sheesh. Yeah, come on, do a circle wheelie. There you go. Keep going. Keep going. Keep going. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Keep going. You guys having a race in a battle? Do it again. We got it on camera this time, so who wins? Dale. Are they battling? Let's see what they got. Let's see who wins. We got a CRF 150R versus a YZ85. Let's go. Let's see who we go. Let's go. The Honda, oh shit, about to collapse. The Honda going first. Let's go. Oh, he's smooth with it. Ah, he got it. He got one. He got one. Rematch. Hey, that's 1-0. 1-0. Let's see who's gonna take it. He's still going. He's still going. Let's go. Let's go. YZ. Oh, look at the KTM coming in and shit. All the way, all the way, all the way. That's 2-0. 2-0 the Honda. Yeah, almost crashed, low key.
I know, but I'm saying like, nigga, I'm doing it for he could drop, but he's like forcing himself, like, no, just drop it.
You saw that? I went fast.